City, the only ciudad sa among la probinsya sa Bohol. And we need to mag-boarding house na dito. At first, I was advised by my parents na doon kay may eskwela mag-college. By the way, maka-eskwela ko college because I graduated as valedictorian. I was awarded of having sa academic, what you call it, nalimot ko. Nakoy scholarship, yes, thank you. Academic scholarship na wherein I can continue, I pursue my college as long as I can maintain my grades. No? I know some of you here can reflect on this one. To those who graduated valedictorians, you are given a scholarship, academic scholarship, wherein you have to maintain your grades para matiwas niyo ang college. My mother told me, "Don't, mas maayong mag-teacher ka." Why? Because look at our barrio. We don't have teachers. Ang teachers na nagtudo sa atong barrio karon were teachers coming from other towns. Igod sila taga diri. But there were times in our life na magtuman kalita. Why? Because I didn't listen to my mother. I choose civil engineering course instead of having as a teacher, not knowing what happened next to my career. Entering college I was so happy because this is now the fulfillment of my dreams. But eventually, mao daay hinungdan na mahugdo ang akong kaugmaon. Why? Because in civil engineering course, you cannot attend. Teachers or your instructors will not allow you to get inside the classroom unless you have T-square. Mechanical pencils, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Asa may itang kumangahoy anak. Our parents, my parents, we don't have the money to buy all of those things. To make the story short, I was not able to maintain my grades. And the worst thing, I went back to my barrio. Nakaingon ko, ang akong forever, ang akong tabaw na yun na akong idarod permit.